All right, guys, so when we start, you're going to put your ruler in the middle of your paper. The hand that you don't write with goes on the side of the ruler that does not have the numbers. Okay? You want to write along the side that has numbers. So you just put your ruler in the middle, put your ruler in the middle, put your hand in the middle, take your pencil, start at the top and pull down. It's always easier to pull towards you than to push. Do not push, pull. Watch what I do. So there's one line. Then I want to make two other lines over here and two other lines over here. So I'll just move over my ruler a little bit. I'll make another line. Then I'll move my ruler over a bit and make another line. Now I'll go over to this side. One here, one here. Then I go in the middle. Then I turn my paper this way and I put it in the middle. I make a line through the middle. Then I make another line here, and I make another line here. I make a line here, then I make another line here. And there is my paper with my lines on it. Then, when you are done, you're going to use 4 or 5 colors, and you're going to start coloring in each area. Okay, now watch what I mean by that. If I take a color, say I use this green color, okay, and I'm coloring in this shape. I only color in inside of my shape. Do you understand what I mean? You outline the shape first. See how I'm outlining it, going around the outside of it? That way when I color it in, when I bump into my colors, it still looks nice and neat. Okay? So that's what we're going to be doing for this. Good job.